What made you think about having a Bruno stairlift installed?
The only equipment that would meet our needs without doing a whole lot of damage to our house was the Bruno stairlift. We did a lot of research on what was possible. We thought about elevators, we thought about the pneumatic tubes, we thought about any other possibility in order to get from the ground floor up to the second floor. And it was a no-brainer. We are extremely happy.
What were your first impressions of the Bruno stairlift after it was installed?
It was easy, it was safe, it did what it was supposed to do. And it made such a difference in my wife's life in that she was now able to go up and down the stairs without the pain in her knees, and it was a life changer.
I can go up and down stairs several times a day without worrying about falling or having my knees hurt. He didn't have to help me up and down the stairs or listen to me saying, ow, ow, because I'd only go down in the morning and come up at night, and anything else I needed was like, I don't want to do it again because climbing those stairs hurts so much.
What do you like about having the Bruno stairlift installed in your house?
One of the most important features is reliability and ease of use. With regard to just hitting a lever and it goes up slowly, efficiently, doesn't do any herky-jerky, it's a smooth, easy ride. The house has a circular staircase, which no other product was able to meet our demands of both integrating into the house, looking like it's supposed to.
What would you tell friends, family that might be thinking about having a Bruno stairlift installed in their house?
The unit is able to park itself out of the way so it doesn't obstruct any of the path of travel on either the first or the second floors.
It's able to move out of the way for us, and somebody else could still go up the stairs if they needed to. It's wonderful and simple and make your life better and not worry about how it may work with your decorations.
It's very important that the stair lift goes with the house, and when we entertain, everybody wants to take a ride. If anybody asks me, what do I think about a Bruno stairlift? And I said, I did all your investigation for you. And this is the one that came out on top by a clear margin. All of the components and electrical work was top grade. And candidly, don't reinvent the wheel. They got it here, they got it right, it looks good, it functions great. If you want a stair lift, go with that recommendation from somebody who is using it every day. I love Bruno stairlift because I've been married for 45 years and I need my wife around. And I want her to be comfortable, I want her to be happy, and I want her to be mobile.
It makes my life easier and pain-free, and that's, of course, so important to me. You know, I want to do as much as I'm capable of doing, and it allows me that opportunity.